Where is it?
One pan already, Charmaine.
Are you good, man?
No. He's a farmer from Chilani, you know.
Okay.
Just go buy them from him, you know. Fresh potato come out of the ground yesterday, you know.
Right. Buy tomorrow as a pudding.
Yeah. So you peel it and then grate it up and set it up for the pudding, you know. Yeah, you know, it's a nice size potato this to make pudding, you know. Real potato, them clean and pretty, see, and no worm. Pretty. You know, full of wormy, you know. Come sell back, he said they're expensive, I don't lie. I change $20 a pound for you, I am now, you know.
So I say, when you peel the sweet potato, you don't peel off the whole life flesh?
No, you can't peel it. You have to peel it good for you get the money worth, man, what I think. Yeah, you have to be a carver when you peel certain potato, you know.
Be nice.
You mix up. Why, me know? You must see water. The food is sweet, man.
Sweet, you know?
And cook them same way.
Whip them up fine. And you get more water.
Hey, Pastor. Right now, I make one extra potato pudding, you know.
Where they are going there?
Yes, man.
Because we saw me peel them deep.
Yeah, man. Right.
Yeah, me the massage. Once every.
One day, sometimes just check out from the brain.
So you said this is sweet potato here, though. It's not so tough.
No,
It's half a variety.
Yeah, man. Good potato, you know.
So just by chance, there's this gentleman here actually grating the sweet potato pudding. Like, I kind of always wanted to catch them doing it, you see, because I want you guys to see how they do it. And you can see that they're using like a grater. Like, it seems like an older grater. And what you say? You feel like the grater do better for the than the blending?
Yeah. Retain potato better. Pudding tastes better. Refined and more than the blend.
Which makes sense. So they're saying that the gratering gives you a more refined feel, because yeah, the blender is not as precise as the grater. So yeah, makes a lot of sense. But these potatoes are super huge.
Yeah, man, I'm good, man. I don't worry about nothing. You know, one time I wouldn't like a pamphlet there, you know. Why you not trouble me? The one I don't have to come on, go bake. Go greater than me and make pudding for them down there, you know. Yeah, man. Because some nice cassava pudding down there for them.
Straight.
Yam pudding.
Yam pudding.
Yeah man, and yam punch.
Right.
Them something there, you see it? Enough people never drink the yam punch yet and know say it's nice, you know?
Nice.
Yeah.
Guys, just stopping by here and buying some sweet potato pudding, it's a very easy task, just come with your money. But the amount of work that goes into it, it's, yeah, I watched a whole football half and this man is still grating all of those sweet potatoes. If you watch football or soccer, you know how many minutes that is, and there's still a little bit more to go. Yeah. But it takes a bit of time and patience if you want to get your food or you want to get your food.
See the real Jamaica cocoa, you know? Commander cocoa, red cocoa. So we peel it, grate it in the pudding. Yeah, that is one. This is another one. This is the way cocoa look in Jamaica. So we peel them. Nice and decent.
Yes, this is a red cocoa.
Yeah, Commander cocoa. Real Jamaica cocoa. See it?
So I say like every other day you do a little variation between the sweet potato.
Yeah.
So like today was with a bit of cornmeal and today's a bit of cocoa in there.
Yeah. Cocoa and yellow yam.
Cocoa and yellow yam.
Yeah. Oh, we wash it and then we grate it. And then a little more we're gonna get the coconut juice to put in it.
See water here? You want water?
Finally, sweet potato them grater. Whole heap of work this, you know, guys. A lot of grating going on. Real, natural, organic ingredients.
He's a fast worker. When I go in, so.
Listen to Charmaine, they bake quick and fast.
You know what I do? Yes.
So you normally train with just spices?
Nutmeg spice, mixed spice, vanilla, almond spice, yeah, sugar, cornmeal. This having a little cocoa. This one is the one with the raisin.
Oh, so you have two different types, so one with raisin, one without.
Yeah.
Okay. You find that people normally like the raisins or?
No, the plain one goes better.
Oh, the plain one goes best.
Yeah. Other people don't like the raisins.
So how much years you been baking these cakes for?
Like 25 years.
25 years? And you find that the coal stove give you the best bake?
Yes, man. We often don't put potato pudding and we do cakes and tortillas in the oven.
In the oven.
But this, when you put it on the coal fire, so fast and you get a better baking. Yeah.
Nice. So what we getting tomorrow? Because I'm coming back tomorrow, what we can expect?
We're going to bake carrot cake, torto, a plain cake and potato pudding.
You know, today when you say the cake, they normally sell off, I never believe, you know.
Ah, true, man. I have to bake every night. I have to bake every night.
I see people come and they must say, yo, we're putting there.
Yeah, you sit down and see it for yourself. Really, yeah. So this is it. So this is the finished product now. I'm catching the fire.
Okay.
This is one of the covering. So I'm going to put some coal on it.
So you normally do the one where you put the coal on top as well?
Yeah, that's the one I'm going to do right now.
Oh,
But I want this fire to catch up some more. So this is the smaller pot.
So which one you prefer, baking or the cooking part of the business?
Well, I do everything good, you know, brother. He's a multi-facilitated person.
Nice.
I cook, I bake. People always say people who can cook can bake, but I can cook real good.
So you
I've
teach your
been
daughter how to do it and
Me what?
you teach your daughter?
My son.
Oh, you teach your son?
Yeah.
Okay.
My daughter is a book person. She know in a day, yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Yeah, I realized I overheard you saying to your son that that
Yeah,
you
my
bake
son. Yeah, he
sometimes.
baked it for me 3 times now. He's
Wow.
not doing bad, yeah. My daughter don't like doing something, yeah. High class.
Oh God.
Chanda, you not hear them there? Or you not start course?
Just want to run business.
Yeah, she love money.
Gotcha.
She's a money person.
Gotcha.
She said, Mommy, me go to school, if you come back. But you know, she always helped me. Growing up, she was my right hand.
Gotcha.
Because I used to have like a vegetable stall and all that something there. So she always helped.
And that wasn't one of the ways you used to like help them for
Yeah,
go
to
school
go
and
school
stuff?
and so yeah.
Gotcha.
I used to go travel. I used to work at the pharmacy too, but then I stop and start doing my own thing. Sometimes I travel and it's my baking and my cooking that helped me a lot.
Nice.
Yeah.
Well guys, this is not all talk. You saw me sit here for the whole day basically till evening come. Puddings all got sold out. Completely delicious. And it's not no high class or no whatever. It's people who know about pudding. And trust me, people at Portland I can assume know about them pudding.
Yeah man, don't go Portland. All over.
All over, yeah?
Yeah. I don't want Portland baby. And I put in international pudding. Yeah. I bake for restaurants, I bake for places, other places.
Oh nice.
They come and order and I prepare them pudding. Their pudding.
So you don't intend to carry the thing even, I mean I know you're known internationally but for like a lot more people forward and yet.
Yes, I'm thinking about it, like to do it on a wider scale.
Yeah.
So I can employ some people.
True.
But maybe I have some little error. I told him my son died, so we kind of
Condolences.
slow a bit.
Everything, yeah.
So, because I even closed the restaurant because if I have a cook shop and I close it. And then, she started doing it. Tash started doing it.
Nice.
Because I didn't want to do it anymore. I like feel
Demotivated.
But I'm glad she pick it up now. And it's going on, it's working.
Yeah.
So, these fire need to catch some more. Yeah. So I have to clean the air space of these because they were using the stove before. So I have to clean these so I need to get going again. Because if the air space is blocked, then
No fire.
no fire. That is for the big one.
Okay.
Sometimes I use some coconut shell. It boosts up the
Oh yeah,
fire.
quick, yeah.
Yes.
Nothing
all
no waste,
time
nothing
there.
no that shit.
No, so when I use my coconut then, because I use real coconuts.
Okay.
So when I use the shells, when I bring them out, I save the shells. And then I take them to use them to be able to black up the kitchen too much.
Oh yeah,
That's the only thing, Black up the kitchen. So right now, I look forward to go make one little more space so I can be the puddings.
Separately.
Yeah. So we can fix the kitchen better.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. Because more to improve on the kitchen. The fire at the bottom must not be too heavy. The top fire must be the bigger part.
Oh, so the lower fire not so heavy and the top one is
Yeah.
heavy. Okay. And how long like this would normally take, you think?
Like 3 hours.
3 hours? So you're not going to your bed yet, man?
Maybe left it on the fire night time. Maybe put them in a hot pudding. Maybe set the fire.
What you say?
Yeah.
You set it and forget it?
Yeah. Set it. I'll look at it before I leave. And then I just level the fire. And it stays there and bake until in the morning. Finish bake itself. When they become an expert.
I was about to ask you that now. So at what point in time do you get that confidence? Like,
I met this a long time, I bake man. Over 25 years, so you know, must have a confidence. When me put my cake in the oven,
yeah.
like me just know time for time them. You know, so
Wow.
always just do my thing and try do it right. You see?
And this is it.
Yeah. This is it. Now we'll put some more coal on the top. As me tell you, the top part of the pudding, you have to have the bigger fire.
Okay.
So it bakes from the top downwards. And then my tuna will be ready for in the morning. First thing, pudding. You have any pudding? Because if people they sleep and drink the pudding, brother. For real, me now boast, but thanks be to God. And I've never been to school for this. It's self-taught.
Self-taught.
Baker. Yeah.
Wow.
So you soon see the fire start.
Kick up.
Oh, you know the word, so.
Yeah.
So that is it for right now.
Guys, this is so interesting. Like, I never thought that someone could just leave something on a coal stove and just be like, yeah, by the morning it done. But
Yeah, so this by the time ready for go home, this will go come down.
okay.
So what I'm gonna do just open up the fire, see which part want a little more fire, and then I just leave it like that. Bravo! Thank you.
Guys, use me as a reference. You see how me I sweat. Like, I was in that kitchen for probably like 10-15 minutes. I don't know how them do it. Like, trust me, for you forget your food them, yo, amazing. But I think the part that sells me the most, but I think I need to try them pudding here, is the fact that she's so confident to, once she gets it to that temperature, she can just walk away from the pudding and then that's it. Like, you might watch like cooking or baking shows where somebody can just look at your cake and they go, yeah, the inside isn't done cooking. That's the level of mastery that I'm getting from this setup. So in the morning I'm definitely going to be coming back to catch some breakfast, but I will show you guys the finished product by in the morning so you guys can see. So tomorrow we are getting toto. I absolutely love the toto. That is my preference in terms of pudding, so we're getting toto tomorrow. There's going to be the sweet potato pudding that's mixed with a bit of cocoa, you know, whether you want the raisins or without raisins, and of course there's carrot cake as well. I don't think I tried the carrot cake, but for me the toto, that have my heart straight up. So tomorrow some toto and some cold box milk. Yeah. Whoa. If you saw the previous video, you'd have seen what the puddings today look like. If not, I'll link the video below, and on the next video, I'll show you how these came out. Now, you know I'm living in my van, traveling around Jamaica for street food. So I headed back to campsite, parked up, and saw some kids practicing or playing in the evening. Now, this was strangely refreshing to see. With the advent of COVID and technology, it's something that we don't often see. But if they were practicing or just playing, whatever race it might be that they want to take on in life, I really hope that they would win.